Hello everyone, myself Professor S.K. Sonavne from Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik, Department of Plant Pathology. Today we will learn what is meant by bacteria, what is the morphology of bacteria. Today's presentation on detailed study of bacteria. In previous lecture we studied different organisms in microbiology. This topic under the introductory microbiology course. Then what is meant by detailed study of bacteria? In that first topic is morphology of bacteria. So the definition of morphology, study of shape, size, arrangement and structure of bacterial cells. Three general forms of bacteria are common. Three types of bacteria form in common environment. First one, ellipsoidal or spherical shape. These are called as cocci. Single coccus means cocci. Single round shape is called as cocci. Then second one, cylindrical or rod shape. These are called as bacilli. Single rod is called as bacillus. Third one is spiral or helical shape. These are called as spirilla. Single spirillum is called as spirilla. Then shapes of bacterial cell. These are the shapes of bacterial cell. We already see ellipsoidal or spherical means coccus, rod shape means bacillus, spiral shape means spirillum or spirilla. Arrangement of bacterial cells, cell grouping, different arrangement of bacterial cells in different shapes. For example, cell grouping in cocci. First, we will see cell grouping in cocci. First type, monococcus. These are single spherical shaped bacteria, means single round shaped bacteria is called as monococcus. Mono means single. Then diplococcus. Diplo means two. These bacteria divide in one plane and occur predominantly in pair. Pair means two. Two bacterial cells, spherical bacteria divide in a one plane and predominantly present in a pair is called as diplococcus. Third one, streptococcus. These bacteria divide in one plane and remain in chains. They continuously divide in one plane. It is called as streptococcus. Then tetracoccus. Tetra means four. These bacteria divide into two planes. First horizontal and second vertical. One bacterial cell means one round shape. You have to divide first horizontal line, then vertical line. Four parts of that bacterial cell. It is called as tetracoccus, forming the group of four cells. Isn't it? Horizontal line and vertical line. Then one bacterial cell divided into four cells. This group of four cells is called as tetrad. These the images of we will see in the image. Staphylococcus. These bacteria divide in three planes but in irregular patterns. As a result, the bacteria occurred in bunches like a cluster of grapes. Is called as Staphylococcus. Then Sericini. Bacteria occurred Sericini divide in three planes but the division is regular. Therefore, they form a cuboidal grouping. Cube-like appearance of Sericini. It's called as this is the diagrammatical arrangement in cocci. Single you can see the single spherical shaped bacterial cell is called as coccus. Then divide in one plane and present in pair, diplococcus. Staphylococcus, you can see the bunch like grapes. Then streptococcus divide in a one plane and remain present in the chain. Then tetrad. Tetrad means one bacterial cell divide in two planes, that is one vertical plane and horizontal plane, then present in four bacterial cells. And Sericini, irregular planes divide in irregular planes and look like a cube like appearance, cuboidal. Then bacterial cell arrangement. Cell grouping in bacilli, that is the rod-shaped bacteria. The rod-shaped bacteria usually occur singly and unattached cells. No characteristic grouping is predominant. However, following types of grouping mainly occurs sometimes. Same like a cocci. There is monococcus, here is monobacillus. Single rod-shaped bacteria are called as monobacillus. Diplobacillus. The bacterial cell can divide in one plane and remain present in a pair, is called as diplobacillus. Then streptobacillus, the rod-shaped bacteria remain in a chains, divide in a one plane but remain present in chain, is called as streptobacillus. Next one, palisades. In palisade type of bacteria remain in pile side by side like matchstick like arrangement in X and Y shapes. For example, this arrangement is common in diphtheria bacilli, means matchsticks like arrangement in palisades, that is X and Y shape. That is the diagrammatical shapes of a single rod, like that is bacillus, diplobacillus, palisades and streptobacillus. Arrangement found in spirilla. The spirilla are predominantly unattached. However, they differ in frequency of turns and overall length. They are grouped in three types as follows. Spiral shape, that is rigid, is called as spirillum. Spirals with less than one complete twist are called as vibroid. If the organism is flexible and undulating, it is called as spirochetes. You can see how the spirochetes are present. Coccus, Coccobacillus, Bacillus, vibroid. And this is the spirillum. Spirillum and spirochete. Spirillum means not more than one complete twist, and spirochetes are flexible and undulating bacterial cells. Size of the bacterial cell. Bacteria are usually measured in micrometer. Common size of most bacilli ranges from 0.2 to 0.5 to 1 into 0.2 0.5 micron. Exceptionally, length is some bacilli may exceed 100 micron meter. As regards the spherical bacteria, Staphylococcus and Streptococci have diameter ranging from 0.7 to 1.25 micron meter. Here you can see general structure of bacteria. This is very important for your final theory examination, and you can see the internal and external parts of their bacterial cell. Capsule, cell wall, inclusion bodies, ribosomes, flagellum. Flagellum is most important external part of bacterial cell, that is always ask for the short notes. Then cytoplasm, cell membrane, nucleoid, mucosomes. This is the ultrastructure of eubacterial cell. We will see the external parts of bacterial cell, that is first one, flagella. Here is the types of flagella. What is the flagella? These are hair-like appendages originated from cytoplasmic membrane. They are mostly present in rod-shaped and spiral-shaped bacteria. Some species are non-flagellated. Typical flagellum consists of basal body, a short hook-like structure and long helical filament. Chemically, flagellum is made up of protein subunits and it is called as flagellin. Bacterial movements in response to physical or chemical agent is called as tactic or taxis. Movement in response to chemical agent is called as chemotaxis, and movement in response to light is called as phototaxis. These are the short note for flagella. Then types of flagella. Classification of bacteria, number of flagella. On the basis of their flagellar arrangement, bacteria classified as follows. First, monotrichous. Bacterial cell having single polar flagellum is called as monotrichous. Amphitrichous. Bacterial cell having single polar flagellum at both the ends of bacterial cell. We will see diagrams of flagellar arrangement in next slide. Cephalotrichous. Bacterial cell having pair of flagella attached at one end. Lophotrichous. Bacterial cell having tuft or cluster of flagella at one end or both the ends of bacterial cell. Peritrichous. Bacterial cell having lateral flagella all around the bacterial cell or all over the body of bacterial cell. That is called as peritrichous. Atrichous means bacterial cell having without flagella. No flagella present in atrichous type of bacterial cell. These are all the types of flagellar arrangement. Then diagrams. You can see what is meant by monotrichous. Single flagella present at one end or one pole of bacterial cell. Then lophotrichous, tuft or cluster of flagella present at one end. Then amphitrichous, single polar flagella means single flagella present at both the ends of the bacterial cell. Then peritrichous, you can see all over the body of bacterial cell present flagella for movement. Then next part of bacterial cell is pili or fimbriae. These are smaller, shorter, numerous hair-like structure as compared to flagella. They cannot produce regular waves. They are visible only with electron microscope and are present in motile bacteria. Pili is made up of protein subunits. It's called as pilin. Pili have following three functions. They are helpful in adherence to host. They make possible attachment of bacteriophage to bacterial surface. Sex pili serves as conjugation tube in sexual reproduction of bacteria. For example, F. pilus in Escherichia coli. Use in conjugation process. Third party is capsule. In some bacterial species, covering or envelope of gelatinous substance, slim layer is formed, which is called as capsule. Chemically, slim layer is made up of polysaccharides, namely dextran, dextrine, indextrine, levain, and cellulose. Capsule perform following four functions. It protects the bacterial cell during adverse condition. It serve as store food or to bacterial cell. It is the site for the disposal of bacterial waste. Bacteria can express their virulence or infectability in absence of capsule. Only in presence of capsule, it promotes attachment of bacterial cell to the host surface. Fourth one, sheath. The bacteria from marine environment produce chains or trichomes enclosed in hollow tube is called as sheath. Prostica and stalks. Prostica is semi-rigid extensional cell wall and cytoplasmic membrane, whereas the stalks are ribbon-like tubular appendages exerted by the cell. Both prostica and stalks helps in attachment of bacterial cell to the host surface. Then cell wall. Bacterial cell wall is rigid and give definite shape to bacterial cell. Peptidoglycan and polymer present in the cell wall determine shape and offers rigidity to the cell wall. Cell wall thickness ranges from 10 to 25 micron. Cell wall constitutes 10 to 40% dry weight of bacterial cell. Bacterial cell wall has two important functions. It gives the definite shape to the bacterial cell. So, cell wall thickness ranges from 10 to 25 microns. Cell wall constitutes 10 to 40% of dry weight of bacterial cell. Bacterial cell having two important functions, that is, it gives the definite shape to the bacteria. It is essential for growth and division. Next part, peptidoglycan is rigidly giving principle of cell wall. It is polymer 1 of 8 diaminopelamic acid and muramic acid and tensioic acid. In addition to this, it is also contain amino acids, amino sugars and carbohydrates. Above chemical join to form polymer of peptidoglycan. Major building blocks of peptidoglycan are as follows, that is AGA, AMA, acetylmuramic acid peptide containing 4 or 5 types of amino acids. On the basis of structure and chemical composition of cell wall, bacteria are divided into two groups. Gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Structures internal to the cell wall of bacterial cell. First one is protoplast, cytoplasmic membrane and the viable cell structure enclosed within it's called as protoplast. And cytoplasmic membrane, fragile cytoplasmic membrane beneath the cell wall called protoplasmic or plasma membrane. It is ranges from 7.5 in thickness. This is primarily composed of phospholipids 20 to 30% and cytoplasmic membrane have following functions. It controls the passage of nutrients and waste product into and out of the cell. Next part is many enzymes are located in the membrane which are essential for following functions. Cytochrome, an enzyme in the cytoplasmic membrane, it is essential for the synthesis of component of the cell wall. Enzymes involved in the electron transport have the site of cytoplasmic membrane. Enzymes required for oxidative phosphorylation are also located in the cytoplasmic membrane. It protects and bound the cytoplasmic content of the cell. It is the site of ATP synthesis and the center for the control of flagellar motility. Mesosomes are very important internal part of the bacterial cell. In many bacteria, especially gram-positive bacteria, the cytoplasmic membrane appears to be enfolded at more than one point. Such enfoldings are called as mesosomes. These are the membranous intrusion and extensions of cytoplasm. They have following functions. Mesosomes have following functions. They play an important role in reproductive processes. They are involved in the metabolic processes. They take part in septum formation during the cell division. They are associated with nuclear material and its replication. They are also involved in electron transport and export of exocellular enzymes. The cytoplasm. The cell material present within the cytoplasmic membrane is called as cytoplasm. The major cytoplasmic contents of bacterial cell includes the nucleus. Without a membrane, ribosomes and proteins and other water-soluble components and reserve material. In most of the bacteria, extrachromosomal DNA it is also present. Extrachromosomal DNA means it is the sex organ of bacterial cell. Cytoplasm has three major portions as below. Three major portions of cytoplasm means cytoplasmic area. It is granular and rich in ribosomes. These are densely packed throughout the cytoplasmic area. Ribosomes, ribonucleic acids, proteins particles are called as ribosomes, which contains enzyme functional in protein biosynthesis. Ribosomes are 70 types consisting of 50s and 30s subunits. Then chromatin or nuclear area. The bacterial nucleus is not enclosed in a definite membranous structure. The nuclear material is generally confined to the center of bacterial cell. It consists of single circular double-stranded DNA molecule in which all the genes are linked. This nuclear material is generally designated as nucleide or chromatin body or nuclear area or equivalent to the nuclear area. Third one, fluid portion which has dissolved nutrients. Fluid portions means it is useful for the nutrient dissolution. Cytoplasmic inclusion. These are concentrated deposit of certain substances, age and environment influence in the appearance of inclusion. How they are not predominant or prominent in all the species. Some granule acts as a source of store food. Protoplast and spiroplast. A protoplast is that portion of bacterial cell consisting of the cytoplasmic membrane and the cell membrane material bound by it. This can be prepared from gram-positive bacteria by treating the cells with an enzyme such as lysozyme, which selectively dissolve the cell wall, or by culturing the bacteria in the presence of antibiotics such as penicillin. Spiroplast is a protoplast surrounded by the outer membrane of cell wall. In gram-negative bacteria, only peptidoglycan layer can be removed, but outer membrane is still intact surrounding the protoplast. Then endospores. Spore is metabolically dormant form. It is the resting structure of bacterial cell or dormant phase of the bacterial cell. It is called as endospore, which under the appropriate conditions can undergo germination and grow out to form a vegetative cell. Spores produced within the cell are called as endospores, and the spores produced external to the bacterial cell are called as exospores. Endospores are thick wall, highly refractile body that are produced by Bacillus, Clostridium, Sporocercina and few other genera. They are generally formed at the end of the active growth or during stationary phase. They are extremely resistant to desiccation, staining, disinfecting chemicals and radiation and heat. All the endospore forming bacteria are resistant to heat, chemical, disinfecting chemicals or desiccation or staining. Ascospores are formed external to the vegetative cell by budding. At the end of budding means it is the asexual product of bacterial cell at the end of the cell in the methane oxidizing genus Methylocinus. They are desiccation and heat resistance. This is the very important topic. In that topic, all the important short notes are covered. For example, always ask for the short note, that is flagella. Then bacterial cell, draw a neat label diagram of bacterial cell and explain external and internal parts of bacterial cell. Then types of flagella, what is meant by flagella. These all the 3 to 4 questions are asked for the final theory examination. So thanks for listening and watching.